everybody, it's me again, Gaviola. Welcome to my channel. For today's video, I will teach you how to install the basic electrical wirings. Before we start the basic installation of electrical wirings, I will show you the different personal protective equipment and tools that are commonly used by the electricians. Let's talk about first the tools. The first one is the Phillips screwdriver, and the second one is the combination pliers. The third one is the electrician's knife. Let's talk on the PPE or the personal protective equipment. First is the hard hat, the hard shoes, gloves, and the coverall. So, the basic electrical wiring that we are going to install is the one lamp controlled by a single switch.
Oh my God! Wow!
But before that, let's take a look in the diagram. As you can see in this diagram, we have the line 2, which stands for the live wire or the hot line, and L1 stands for the neutral line. So let's start. L2 or the live wire connects to the left side of the switch, and the right side of the switch connects to the right side of the lamp, and the left side of the lamp connects to the line 1. Okay, since we already know the patterns of this diagram, let's do it in the actual wiring. So, we are now here in the wiring table. I will show you the different parts of it. This is the panel board, in which the circuit breakers are located. The line 2 and the line 1 are connected to it. This red one is the line 2, and the black one is the line 1. This is the switch, and this is the lamp. Okay, since we already know the different parts, let's start. Again, this is the line 2, which will be connected to the left side of the switch. On the right side of the switch, right side, connect to the right side of the lamp. On the left side of the lamp, connect to the line 1. Okay, that's all. We are done. And let's light it up.
Yeah, boy.
Okay? 1, 2, 3.
No! God, please, no! 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 No!
There you go.
Nice.
That's all for today. I hope you learned something from this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless, and thank you for watching.